Hello everyone, this is Nandi from All In Candle Factory. Today let me introduce this LED candle and paraffin wax candles difference. Can you see? You can see in my hand. This is LED candles taper candle, and this is the made by paraffin wax taper candle. Can you see the difference? Yes. This taper candle can use this fire and it can burning about 8 hours. But this LED candles, if you use these batteries, you can see the bottom. If you use the batteries, it can burning all the time. And when it can burning, you also can change the batteries. About these LED candles, we have many colors you can choose, and the paraffin wax also have many colors. And about these paraffin wax candles, we also can add some oils, and it smells very well. And please look at this is LED pillar candles and this paraffin wax pillar candles. These candles is made by paraffin wax. It can burning long time. This is LED candles. This LED candles is use batteries. You can see. And if you want the paraffin wax LED candles, you can see this surface is used by paraffin wax, but this is LED candles. It can add batteries, and this candles is also paraffin wax. It's just different with this paraffin wax LED candles. You can see, just the surface is different. This candles is plastic LED candles, and this is real material paraffin wax. You can see. About these stick candles, you can see this is made by paraffin wax, and this candles is LED candles. Yes, this is the difference of this LED candles and the paraffin wax candles. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.